Now I have found if you get snow like this, pushing snow off your windshield goes a hell of a lot faster if you use a broom. Anyway, it's still a pain in the butt. And bury the wind chokers, as my mother would say. You gotta uncover your lights, that's important too, I suppose. Yeah. Oh, got my feet are freezing. Right here's the highway that I generally come home on, and it seems to be running smoothly. But that's what my path's gonna look like when I have to try to get out of here. But that was fun for her. Oh boy. Well, okay, I can get into my doors, so that's good too. Okay, time to go roll them up before